You asked questions. Now you asked a question. What is the question? How long can I keep the book? So then the most suitable word must be I asked the lady at the lending section. We can't say I told the lady because questions you don't tell, you ask questions because the paragraph begin with the question. How long can I keep the book? I asked the lady at the lending section. So the answer to third blank is asked. Now go ahead. The book I found was a novel written by a British author. The book I found means I looked for the book in the library, in the shelves, and I found means I discovered. The book I found was a novel by a British author. This novel was written by a British author. Author is another word for writer. The one who writes book is the author. The book I found was a novel written by a British author. Now let's go ahead. The blank. Here are the three answers given in the brackets. Title, caption, heading. Look at the three words. Listen to the three words. The blank, title, caption, heading of the novel was Invisible Man. So that is the name of the novel. So usually name of a novel is called, we don't say caption. Caption is a word which is used with newspapers. Newspaper caption. That means also we can say headline. Headlines. Caption is similar to headlines of the newspaper. Or even heading can be used. Heading. Right? So in a book, the book's name is called title. So the most suitable answer to this is the title. The title of the novel was Invisible Man. Invisible Man, you know the meaning of invisible. Invisible means that cannot be seen. That cannot be seen. If there is something that cannot be seen, it is invisible. Okay? So, I shall repeat that. The title of the novel was Invisible Man. We can't say the caption of the novel or heading of the novel. That's wrong. Right? So, the most suitable answer is title of the novel was Invisible Man. It was a small book. It was a small book with next blank. Here are the three words. Pretty, handsome, beautiful pictures. Pretty, handsome, beautiful. These three words are similar in meaning, but the usage is completely different. So usually with pictures we don't say handsome picture. Handsome young man we say. Pretty also we use with people, right? A pretty little girl we can say. But here it was a small book with beautiful pictures. So beautiful is the most suitable word here. Listen again. It was a small book with beautiful pictures. It took 1 week for me to, it took, that means I spend. It took means it took 1 week for me to blank. Here are the three words. Finish, end, close. Finish, end, close. So what is the most suitable answer? It took 1 week for me to blank, finish, end, close, read in the book. As I was busy, I was really busy. So it took 1 week for me to do what? Can we say close reading? No, we don't say close reading. Can we say end reading? No, that's also not possible. So the most suitable answer here is it took 1 week for me to finish reading the book. Finish reading the book as I was very busy. However, I enjoyed the book very much. I enjoyed the book very much. Well, that is test 9. I shall repeat the text with the correct answers. Listen to me carefully and try to keep the words in your mind. Okay? Once a month, I go to the public library in my town. Last week, I visited the library and borrowed a book from the lending section. How long can I keep the book? I asked the lady at the lending section. The book I found was a novel written by a British author. The title of the novel was Invisible Man. It was a small book with beautiful pictures. It took 1 week for me to finish reading the book as I was very busy. However, I enjoyed the book very much. හොඳයි. ඒ තමයි අපස සාමාන්‍ය පෙළ ප්‍රශ්න පත්‍රයේ 2019 ප්‍රශ්න පත්‍රයේ දෙවැනි පේපර් එකේ ටෙස්ට් 9 9වෙනි පරීක්ෂණය. මම හිතනවා ඔබ තේරුම් ගන්න ඇති කියලා. ඔබට තාමත් බැරි වුණා නම් ප්‍රශ්න පත්‍රයක් හොයාගන්න. ඊළඟ පාඩමට කලින් ප්‍රශ්න පත්‍රයක් ඔබ ළඟ තිබුණොත් තවත් පහසුයි. ඉතින් අපිට තවත් ඔබ හරන්දි සිටීමට කාලය ඉතිරි වෙලා නැහැ. වෙනද වගේම අදත් මේ සමුගන්න මොහොතේ ඔබට අපේ ලිපිණය මතක් කරන්න ඔබටත් පුළුවන් ඔබේ අදහස් උදහස් යෝජනා ඒ වගේම චෝදනා වුණත් තිබෙනවා නම් අපේ යොමු කරන්න. ඔව් අපේ ලිපිණය නිෂ්පාදක Let's Speak English ශ්‍රී ලංකා ගුවන්විදුලියේ ස්වදේශීය සේවය කොළඹ 7. නිෂ්පාදක Let's Speak English ශ්‍රී ලංකා ගුවන්විදුලියේ ස්වදේශීය සේවය කොළඹ 7. ඔබට සුබ දවසක්.
Let's Speak English. අදත් සකස් කොට ඉදිරිපත් කළේ ජෙනරල් ඉංග්‍රීසි පොත්පතේ සංස්කාරක ජයතිස්ස අතාවුද හේතු. Let's Speak English. නිෂ්පාදනය කළේ මංජුල වීරසිංහ.